Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from your PayPal account to your bank account. That being said, this means any bank account, okay? Associated with PayPal, of course. So that being said, if you're watching this on your phone, your tablet, your MacBook, or any iOS devices, please stay in the video because it's literally the same process. Even though, as you can see right now, I'm using a Windows OS on a desktop or PC setup. Okay, so the first things first is open up a browser of your choice and head over to PayPal. So I'm just gonna go over PayPal right there, and as you can see, this is gonna be my dummy account because it has zero balance. So how to send money from PayPal to bank? First things first, of course, you need to link a bank. Click the link a bank right there, choose the bank name, the bank code, of course the account number. Okay? So if you link your bank, just click it right here. So if you have a US bank account, of course, click this option right here. And then once you click it, it will it will be added on your home screen, as you can see right here. This is a dummy bank account right there. This is Philippine National Bank over here. That being said, if you click on it, just send the name, send payments over here. And then, as you can see, there's nothing to transfer right now. So basically, I cannot really transfer it. However, if you click on send payments, and then just simply choose the bank you want to send it with. For example, you have more than one. Just choose a specific bank since you already linked it on your PayPal account. And that's it. That's how you transfer money from your PayPal to your bank. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys with the next one, okay? Goodbye for now.